How to turn your photo to cartoon using Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your photo to a cartoon using Canva. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once in the browser, in the search bar, click on it and there type in canva.com. Once I've entered this URL, now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Canva. Here you will need to ensure that you have already created an account on it and you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this page. Here you will be able to see Create a Design button at the left top. Click on this option. By doing so, you will be presented with this pop-up. Here you will need to select this custom size or upload option. Once you click on this custom size, you will need to enter the size for your canvas. And if you select this upload option, you will need to upload a photo from your device. Here I am selecting custom size. Once after selecting custom size, you will need to enter the width and height of your canvas. After that, click on this Create New Design button. This will take you to the editing space. Once you reach to this editing space, here now you will need to scroll down at the left sidebar and select this apps option. Click on this app icon, and by doing so, now in this search bar at the top, there you will need to search for Cartoonify. This is the application that helps you to convert your photo to a cartoon. Once you search for it, you will be presented with the search results below. Once you get the search results, click on this Cartoonify, and once doing that, here you will need to click on this open button at the very bottom. Once you grant the permission, now here you can choose a file from your device. Click on this choose a file button at the top left, and once doing that, now select the image from your device. Once you have selected the image, now you will need to wait for a few seconds in order to convert your image or photo to a cartoon. And after a few seconds, you will be able to see you have successfully converted a photo into a cartoon using Canva. Now you can adjust the edges by dragging the edges and customize it further by using the tools available here. After that, you can download it to your device or share this directly from the Canva. So by following these steps, you should be able to convert a photo into a cartoon using Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.